Yo, come with me for a joyride on my Yamaha V-Star 650 and some motivation. Lately, my life the past few months haven't been the most smooth ride, let's say. But, with that being said, we have to still get out of the house. We have to go do something that we love doing. There's always going to be those downs and those ups. But it's how we enjoy it and what we do to make the best of these moments, learn from them, change as best as we can, and become the best versions of ourselves. And if that doesn't inspire you, go buy a motorcycle. It is freedom